My passion has always been about helping people who are over the age of 40 to look their best, feel their best, and perform to the utmost level. And that's what started Better Pickleball. In fact, it was a rant on advice and a chance meeting that influenced the direction in the first year. So now that we've gone through the first year and I've had a chance to hear from you in a variety of surveys and comments, I've come up with some things for 2018 that I think will help all of us to play better pickleball. If you want to know what those are, they're coming up next. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. You might have noticed that I took a little bit of time off during the holidays. I spent some of the time with family, and unfortunately they're not pickleball players, so here's what we were doing. I also took a little time off to do some planning during the holidays. I'm super excited for 2018. That planning process was a lot of fun. Given the information that you've provided me, both in terms of surveys from my email list, and if you're not on that, I would welcome you being on that. I'll put a link down below. But some surveys from the email list, as well as some of the comments that you left for me, the emails that you write me, the things you tell me on Facebook, those have really helped to shape the direction of the channel and where we go forward in the future, and how this can help you to become a better pickleball player. When I first started playing pickleball, I came to this sport from other sports. I'm a golf professional as well as a ski pro. I've either been coached or coaching somebody in some time of athletic for my whole entire life. When I started playing pickleball, which I think it was this unique phenomena, is people were very friendly and they welcomed you in, but along with that came some really bad, very polarizing and very contradictory advice that didn't help performance. So on the one side, there was advice. On the other side, I saw a lot of injury. In fact, I experienced injury. I have been a golf pro, as I said, for my whole entire life. Never had injury in terms of golfer's elbow, and I'll be darned if I didn't get it shortly after I started pickleball. So being comfortable on video, I shot 2 videos at that time, one on advice and the other one on injury, and I put them up on YouTube, and lo and behold, people found them. Now, not long after that, I had a chance meeting with Laura Fenton Cavanda, and she was a 3-time U.S. Open gold medalist. So I met Laura. She came here to Incline Village. She was so kind and so gracious, and that's one of the great things about playing pickleball. But she offered us some clinics. It was during one of those clinics that I asked Laura specifically about her positioning at the net. I had taken a clinic just about 3 weeks prior to taking Laura's with one of the other top female players in the country, but somebody who's a lot younger. She told me something very, very different from what Laura told me. And I know that when a person's confused, they don't perform. So I had to get that thought out of my mind. When I questioned Laura about it, in essence, what she said to me is, well, she's right, but so am I. She's 30, I'm 50, and I need to do it differently. And that's when it dawned on me that most of us who are playing this game are over the age of 50. It's great to look at some of the young players. I love watching Simone Jardim and Ben Johns. They're phenomenal players, but let's face it, we don't have the reaction time. Most of the time we don't have the physical strength or the capabilities that those players do. Now, I'm not saying that there's a few people out there who can't be competitive at that level. That's fine, but that's not what this channel is built for. This channel is built for you. And what you've told me is you want to get better at this game, you want to have more fun, but you also want to stay healthy and fit and avoid an injury. So not long after that, I experimented with a few other videos, things on fitness and eating a little bit more healthy. YouTube does not like experimentation. What I found is that the views for Better Pickleball were going down the more I posted the other content. So looking forward to 2018, here are some of the similarities as well as a few of the changes that you're going to see inside of the channel. I make the same commitment to you. I am going to bring you quality, simple instruction, and that may come in the form of drills. It may also be talking about paddles or balls or equipment, anything kind of on and off the court. And you're still going to see a majority of that. I've also decided to expand and once a month do a video that's just a little bit longer and go into depth on one of those subjects. Another change that you're going to see is the very end of the month, the last video, I'm going to have something on injury prevention. Your top thing on the survey right behind, and just smallly behind playing better pickleball, was staying injury free. As a personal trainer, I have all types of thoughts and ideas and suggestions on how to help you to do just that. Now, for those of you who still want to see the fitness and the health and wellness, you're going to have to follow me over to Facebook Live because that's where I'm doing it. I have a page, agewellwithcj.com. Come on over there, follow me. Every Tuesday night, I'm going to be doing a live show, and that's where I'm going to post all the tips and the tricks and all the things that I've done to maintain a 100-pound weight loss for the last 14 years. So if you want to see that information, that's where it'll be located. So my New Year's resolutions are pretty simple. I want to become a better pickleball player. I want to be more fit. I am going to lose a few more pounds. And I want to stay injury-free. My commitment is to help you to do the same. I'm always open to whatever suggestions that you may have for the channel. Please either send me an email or leave it down in the comments below. I look at those all of the time, and those guide the videos that I'm going to make in the future. Because I know this, together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.